Hi friends. Last time we spoke a lot about mind, subconscious mind, and law of attraction, right? So I'm sure by now you know that you have a tremendous power, and that power is your own subconscious mind. Yes, but still, I'm sure you would have experienced that you cannot achieve each and every of your goal. Okay, or there are many people who put a lot of energy, hard work, but still, even if they have a strong desire, they actually cannot meet the results. Why so? Let's learn that today. So, friends, there are two types of beliefs. One is empowering belief, right? So, once you have that belief that yes, I can do it, you actually get your results. But on the contrary, there is another type of belief which is called limiting belief. Yes, and this is the belief which actually pulls us down and many a times acts as a roadblock between us and the result that we want to achieve. Okay, so today we will learn how we can eliminate or remove this limiting belief. Okay, it's very simple. That's a trick I'm going to share with you. Okay, so before that, let's understand, okay, how this particular beliefs come from. We all are grown up, and while we are getting grown up, we had a lot of experiences, past experiences, some of the things that we carry forward from our parents, from our teacher. What did they, told us, or what kind of experience we got through them, or maybe sometimes they said unknowingly that, oh, I don't know this particular art, or I'm not smart, I can't speak in public. Maybe that's a comment, and our subconscious mind has actually picked up that, and today we have formed this as our limiting belief, right? So limiting beliefs come from our own experiences and how we have perceived them. Okay, a lot of many things happen in the world, but it's very important what we pick up and we perceive. Okay, so we have perceived them as our limiting belief, and that is actually affecting on our result. It's just like a tabletop. Okay, for tabletop to stand, there are pillars or legs of that particular table are required. If there are no legs, then this tabletop will fall, and that is exactly we are going to do. We are going to cut these legs so that this limiting belief tabletop will absolutely fall off. And these legs are our past experiences, our beliefs that we are carrying ahead. Okay, so let's learn how. That's the very small trick, and the name is 939. Okay, yeah. So be ready. It's very simple. Only thing that you need is a notebook and a pen. Okay, so first you have to identify what is your limiting belief. Okay, let me take an example. Let me take an example of a limiting belief of public speaking. So the belief the person carries is, I am not a good public speaker, I just cannot speak in public. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to reverse that belief. So you have to convert that belief into the positive statement. For example, the belief is, I cannot speak in public. So the positive statement that you have to convert is, I am very effective public speaker. Okay. So once you are ready with this positive statement, what you have to do is, okay, for 21 days you have to write something, and it's very simple. So you have to write something which is your positive statement which you just formed. Okay. On day one, first you have to write the positive statement that I am a very effective public speaker 9 times with your dominant hand. If your dominant hand is right hand, write with the right hand 9 times. Okay. After that, you write 3 times with your non-dominant hand. For example, if my right hand is my dominant hand, my non-dominant hand is left hand. So I have to write with left hand 3 times. Okay, and again repeat the same thing 9 times by right hand. So it is 9, 3, 9. Friends, do this religiously without any break for 21 days and just see the magic. You will feel yourself so confident. Okay, you are actually giving the commands and thoughts to your subconscious mind, and you are actually washing off your negative belief or your limiting belief, and you are replacing that negative belief by this positive affirmation, which is your positive statement. And actually you are removing limiting belief and replacing that with the empowering belief. Okay, so friends, do this and please do share your experiences and feedback with me, because this is a very simple trick, but trust me, it is very effective. Thank you, bye bye, and take care.